Welcome to Honeymood Meditations. Today I will guide you in a mindful meditation with a focus on the five senses: touch, taste, smell, sight, and sound. This practice will introduce different tools to help you cultivate a light touch of focus, an embodied presence, and equanimity into your meditation practice and into your daily life. Now, when you're ready, take a few moments to adjust into a comfortable seated position, in a chair or on a cushion on the ground. You can also choose to practice standing up or lying down. Allow your eyes to close or softly gaze downwards a few feet in front of you. And begin by lengthening your inhalations and exhalations, and take 5 deep breaths. With each inhalation, feel the cool and nourishing air fill your entire body. And with each exhalation, let go and let your body soften. Relax your facial muscles, shoulders, and hips as we arrive here and now. Now, let go of controlling your breath and allow it to be normal. Feel your body on the ground. And here we tune into the sensation of touch. Gently trace the area where your body makes contact with the ground. Your feet, your legs, your bottom. Let your bones be heavy here. Sit with a tall spine, but not too rigid. Imagine a string attached to the crown of your head. The string is very gently pulled upwards towards the sky. And the pull of the string energetically lifts your chest and spreads your collarbones like wings ever so slightly. Allow your shoulders to relax and fall down your back. You should feel slightly taller and comfortable being breathed easily. If you feel strained or tense, you're overcorrecting your posture. And soften everything just a bit and you're there. Now tune into any sounds inside the room. Without labeling where the sounds come from, simply notice them arise and pass. You may notice the sounds of your breath or sounds outside. It may help to use a mental note, hearing, as you come back to this sensation. And with your eyes closed or gaze cast downwards, do you notice any light filtering through your eyelids? Slowly and mindfully, lift your hands and move them and place them over your eyelids. Do you notice a difference? Now gently place your hands back on your lap or wherever is comfortable. It can be subtle, but there is quite a bit of light filtering through your eyelids when they're closed. Move your light touch of awareness now to smell. What smells are coming in through your nostrils? Do you taste anything? Maybe from a recent meal or drink you had? Now bring your attention to where you feel the breath. Maybe in your nostrils, the air moving in and out, or the expansion and contraction of the chest. Do you feel the clothes on your skin move as you breathe? when you notice your mind is thinking, fantasizing, or remembering, this is an opportunity to invite kind curiosity to yourself and the present moment. And with a light touch, gently shift your awareness to the next sensation you feel. For instance, you find yourself lost in planning the rest of your day. First, you can accept this and make a mental note, planning, and then tune into the next obvious sensation. Maybe you feel the breath, or a tingling in your shoulder, a sound. You'll notice how each sensation has a lifespan. It arises, sticks around for a while, and then passes, it fades away. Sometimes quickly and sometimes slowly. And then a moment later, you may notice a pressure, an anxious thought, a tightness. It's normal for the mind to jump around. To practice skillfully, use your anchor, a sensation of the body being breathed, or the awareness of any of the 5 senses to bring you to the present, again and again. Renew your intention every time you notice your mind is wandering. And with loving kindness and curiosity, recognize the thought or distraction that pulled you away, and then, without pushing it away in a hurry, tune into your body being breathed with a light touch, and then allow it to fade. We're not allowing the thought to run wild in our mind. Rather, have your awareness of breathing in the background and watch with curiosity. Then you'll notice another sensation. Maybe it's a sound from outside, a tingling felt in your foot, or the feeling of the breath rising and falling. And soon you'll get distracted or catch yourself lost in thought again. This is completely normal. Each time you notice this, it's a step on the path, so be nice to yourself. Sitting here is an act of self-love. Feel your body on the ground, the energetic pull of the string above your head, also opening your collarbones. You may notice a gentle sway in your spine. Be breathed. Again and again, we renew our intention and tune into the senses. As we wind down our meditation, let's give thanks to the teachers and ancestors who passed on these practices. And may the benefits of this practice fill you with joy, shower you with gratitude, ease, health, freedom from harm, peace, and alleviation from suffering to you and to all sentient beings everywhere. May all be loved and know they are loved. Notice the effects of the meditation. Perhaps the monkey mind has slowed down. How quiet is the breath? Maybe your foot is asleep. Whatever is there, let it be there. And offer yourself gratitude for taking the time and energy to practice today. Begin to slowly lengthen your breath. And when you're ready, at the very end of an exhalation, and as you begin an inhalation, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining us at Honeymood Meditations. We look forward to being with you soon. Bye for now.